What's the meaning of bania? Bania. Bania.
Bania. Bania. Bania is a term that can have different meanings depending on the cultural context. In India, bania refers to a caste of merchants and traders who are traditionally involved in business and commerce. The bania community is known for their entrepreneurial skills and success in the business world. In Eastern Europe, particularly in Poland and Belarus, bania refers to a type of traditional sauna or steam bath, which is used for relaxation, detoxification, and rejuvenation. The use of this term can vary widely depending on the region and cultural context, so it is important to be aware of these differences when communicating with others.